What's up mga ka-warrior? Kabalo-balo naman manumbag og manipa tong manghod gitudloan nato adi. Sparring nato ang iyang kalaban si Marco, 10 years old, and si John Dave 11 years old. 1 year gap, pero mas taas si Marco, may lahing American, Spanish. O diya, pa-sparring din nato na siya aron makabalo siya unsay sparring na or makuha niya sa paggamit ng sumba ug sipa.
Push kick.
Pa
Push kick, Dave.
Nice, good.
Push kick, Dave.
Yeah, nice, good goal. Good, nice one, good. Good point.
Sudla.
Point. You punch Marcos, you punch your left hand. Nice, good, see? You hit or you get hit. That's the
Gawas,
point.
Dave.
Yeah. See, use your front kick.
To attack.
Ayun, nice. Use your punches, Marcos.
Ay, lagay sipa. Sumbag sipa lang.
Punch. Point,
Na,
point.
backleg po man. Isa pa.
Good control.
Gamitin sumbag. Na, follow up na yun.
Good.
Kato. Push kick, Dave. Combination, Dave. Go one. One.
Time.
Ayay.